What do you need to install rivets from KAMsnaps?
Quick links for the presses, dies, and possible attachments needed can be found on KAMsnaps.com in the Rivets product listing by clicking on the Required Tools tab.
You'll need one of our professional multifunctional tools, either the KX8J Professional Handheld, the KX-T2 Professional Stand-Up Press, or the DK93 Table Press with a DK93 to KX adapter base. If you have this older DK98 KAM press model, you'll need this two-piece adapter set, the DK98 to KX adapter set. Sorry, if you have the basic K1 or K2 pliers, you're not going to be able to use them for rivets because these can only install plastic snaps. You'll need rivets from KAMsnaps and KX Rivet Dies in the corresponding size. If you're using our crystal rhinestone rivet, you'll also need a crystal rivet die. And the regular dies should be 6 millimeters in order to fit the flat base. You'll also need something to create a hole in your material so that you can insert the stem of the rivet through. You could use our 2.5 millimeter hole cutting dies, our Awl Piercing Dies, or just a regular hand awl. First, I'll insert the rivet dies into my KAM press. I've pierced a hole in my material and I'll slip the stem of the rivet through it. Then I'll place the flat side of the rivet over the stem and click it in place. You should hear that click. Then I'll just place the rivet between the dies and press down. And that's all there is to it. Now to install our crystal rhinestone rivet, I just need to replace our regular rivet die at the bottom of the press with our crystal rivet die. And the rest of the process is exactly the same. Just slip the stem of the rivet through the hole, place the flat base over the stem and click it into place. Then place the rivet between the dies with the crystal side down. Be careful that everything is centered in the die properly. Press down. And there you have the crystal rivet.